and welcome back to, is it day 3 or day 2? Day 3. Day 3 of St. Martin's. Right? I know. But we decided that we're all gonna stay another day. So we're gonna leave on Saturday instead of Friday. Yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited. Right now we're heading to this rainforest called, what's it called? Adventure? What's it called? Oh dang, I have the GPS though. It's called Adventure Rainforest, and I hear it's really cool. We're gonna do like ziplining and this little thing that you sit on and ride across. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. This morning I really wanted to get up and get some coffee, but I didn't have the opportunity to. So it is what it is. And you're driving extremely fast, and I thought I was a fast driver. So yeah, we're just gonna head up to the rainforest, and hopefully from there maybe we'll hit up a beach and do some ATVs. I definitely want to do some horseback riding. That's like my #1 thing to do when I'm like on vacation. Okay. But yeah, so let's head up to the rainforest and I'll meet you guys there. Okay, so we're here. I basically have on. You forgot your mask. Whatever. He forgot his mask. But yeah, so this is the outfit, the fit for today. If you're coming here, you need closed-toed shoes. I can't wait. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. All right, so I just checked in. Oh, it's so windy. Hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, I just checked in, and they say you can't bring like a big backpack. So this kind of backpack I have right here. So I had to change it, and I had to get my little Coach crossbody one, I guess because it's too big. What else is there? And I left my phone in the car. Lord, give me strength. So yeah, let me hurry and grab this, and I'll go up and check in again. Okay, so apparently it's like a 20-minute drive up here. Yeah. So we're gonna get up here real quick. Lord, it's gonna be a long drive. Okay, so we're here. Everybody else is late, but I mean, whatever. So yeah, this is the place. Yeah, so we're just gonna go up here. We're gonna take one of these little, well, when it comes, it comes. But it's one of these little sit-on things. What's it called? Hey, Frederick, what's it called? What? These? No, what's this? Lifts? Yeah. Oh, the lifts. Ah, I'm so stupid. But yeah, this is where we're going. Okay, so we're at the top for ziplining. It's really nice up here. Oh my god! So right here is Anguilla, is right over here, but Anguilla isn't open. I wanted to take a ferry over there, but it's not open, and I already knew that. And right over here is some bars. Like right there, those. So we're just basically waiting for the ziplining. We're just waiting our turn and relaxing. They have like a nice little bar up here where you can get food, nice views, and they have like areas where they tell you like, of course, this is Saba, further up there, and then you have like St. Kitts over here. It's really nice. So yeah. But yeah, basically that concludes this activity. So when we get down, basically we'll see you when we get down there. I'm really nervous because coming up and seeing that, I was like, oh no. But yeah, we'll see you guys down there. So that was really fun, but it was really scary. So like really taking off, I felt it like, when you're on a roller coaster and you feel that impact like going down, you're like, oh, that gravity. There ain't no damn gravity. But yeah, it was cool. We did it. You ready? Okay, let's go get some food. Yeah, cause bruh, is that them? So after waiting for these fools to get down from the zip lining, we had to wait like 20 minutes. I was low-key irritated, but whatever. It was fine. I was just like really hungry. But I got my pina colada. Oh my god, it's really good. And I picked like a really cute spot. I think it's called the Yacht Club. It's called Yacht Club Bar. I think so, yeah. It's called Yacht Club Bar. And I got like a cute, nice little view over here. I mean, the boats are kind of hiding us, but you know, it was like under some shade. It's just really cute, and I really like this place. It's actually right next to Nowhere Special. My camera like died, decided to put another battery in, but the place is next to Nowhere Special. So if you go, that's where we originally wanted to go eat, but they don't open till 4, and they're open Wednesday through Sunday. But this place is right next to it, and it looked really relaxing. It was next to water. I just need something to eat. I ordered. So this is like the menu they gave us. They don't have like paper menus, which I like why do you need that? So they gave us like, you know, the board menu, and they gave I ordered a Caesar salad, small one, and a cheeseburger, and what else did I order? And I got a pina colada and some San Pellegrino, well, the bottle. So I don't know how the food tastes yet, but once I get my food, I'll definitely, let you know how it tastes. I'm excited. Really to just get something to eat. But honestly, by the water is beautiful. The wind's blowing. It's relaxing, so. I don't want to do this, y'all, but I'm gonna do it. Oh my God, I don't want to do this. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. This ain't funny. Oh, I'll see y'all when I get back, and hopefully I'm alive. Okay, I would do this again, but I would bring goggles next time. Bruh, my eyes are burning. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared as hell, but it's okay. I think I need to go wash my hair, and we're gonna go out for dinner. And I need to go rest my eyes. My eyes are burning, oh my God, they're burning. Okay. Guys, this is the second to last day for me, but I am so grateful to be here. I'm not gonna lie, it is beautiful. Look at the beautiful view from the house. It's beautiful, and we're like right here on like the top of the house too. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna head into town and probably get some breakfast and some coffee. I need some coffee, and I think everybody's ready to go now. And then I'm gonna come back and do some little workout. You feel me? You feel me? So yeah, I shall see y'all later. Okay, so we're here. Oh, this food tastes good, but like I said, I'm really here just for the coffee. Just for coffee. I need some coffee. All right, lock your door. Even though they can get in the front. Okay, so where I'm staying, it's like this little nice little strip. Like right here, they have like the cigar place. There's a pharmacy right here, but it's a cute little strip. It's really lit at night though, so I probably come. Oh, they have cool Cuban cigars. Okay, maybe I'll get my grandmother some and my grandfather. If y'all didn't know, your girl is a little Cuban. My mom's dad is Cuban, so I'm gonna go here. But we're going right here to this place. It's called Crepe Cafe. Yeah, I just need some coffee. Hopefully they have some good coffee. They have crepes. Ooh, I like. So yeah, we're gonna eat here today. It's a cute little shop. Well, I'm gonna go in and get my food first, and then I'll show y'all. Okay, so the coffee shop is wonderful. They're so kind, and that's something I love about here in St. Martin's. Everybody is so sweet and just loving. Like, it's a real family down here. America needs to have this. But yeah, so I'm so excited. Here's my coffee. It's like a little, I got an espresso shot, so we're gonna see how this tastes. So it's vanilla cream. Sugar.
So fresh oranges?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
So the coffee was very good. I'm waiting for my food. I got a Mexican crepe. So they said it was spicy on it, but he said he could put the salsa on the side, which is the spicy part. So these birds don't play, and I don't see the cats. I wonder where the cats are. But yeah, it's really nice. This is like a must-have kind of place to go to for a little cup of coffee and some breakfast. Okay.
Ready to interact already.
I'm a very talkative person. Actually, I'm not a talkative person. I'm not a talkative person. I think I like to talk when it's needed. Like, I'm not a talkative person. If I know you, then I'll talk to you. But like,
Be your ass. So be real with the people. Don't lie to the people.
I'm not a talkative.
Turn me. She is talkative as hell.
Let's just put it here and you can talk.
She is talkative as hell. Every time she be like, she ready to call it Carlos, ready to jump in the conversation.
They say I'm playing double dutch and people.
They say one thing. Oh yeah, this place is very nice. Oh my god, yes. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I just love it, don't you? Oh, sheesh. Yeah, we're here and we just loving it.
I don't know, I feel like the life here is relaxing. People are very kind.
St. Martin is the French side.
So St. Martin. Okay, I got it. St. Martin is the French side.
St. Martin.
And St. Martin is the Dutch side. The French side is definitely the same as the Dutch side. I think maybe you see more of the French people on the French side, of course. So you won't see, I mean, you see black people, but you see more like white people on the French side. But they're all still kind and welcoming. I don't know. I feel like you just have to have conversations with them. Like, when you start a conversation, they'll start a conversation too. And I've enjoyed myself. It's very welcoming. It's definitely different. Like, coming from Maryland, as I was telling Frederick was telling me, like if you go to if you come from Laurel and you go to Baltimore, it's definitely different. But when you go from the French side to the Dutch side, it's the same like ambiance. You know what I mean? Okay, y'all know what I mean. So the food came. This is the food. Oh, can you see? Okay. So I got the Mexican one, and which one did you get? A salmon? This is like a salmon one with caper. Oh, Norwegian. This is the Norwegian one. And this is the Mexican. And this is the spicy sauce that they put on the side. Oh, I think it's the sauce that we had the other night. The spicy sauce. And he puts you guys orange juice. I think I might ask him for orange juice. But yeah. I'm gonna go ask them for an orange juice real quick. Let's see if I can get one.
How you doing?
Hi.
You're here to visit the birds?
Yes. Yeah.
You That is a cover charge of $10 a person.
Okay.
You can pay right up. You can pay the young fella there for guidance. Very good.
So there is a $10 per person cover fee, and I think children are like $5. So yeah, it is so cute.
This is into 130 birds.
Wow.
And we have 27 species of birds from all over the world. Wow. And these birds are unique because 70% of them are hand-picked. Means that the bird will set on your shoulders and might set on your head. If that offend you, to brush them out. Those that make the noise, those are the white-eyed conures. Like this one. You find that species in South America on the eastern part, with the Trinidad, Suriname, French, and British Guyana. It's very noisy bird. It's not just apartments. Then we have the Jandaya, which is a noisy bird from Brazil. Not good for apartments either. And the family here, the San Canu, these are the most noisiest one in the house. Right, they also from Brazil. Here we have a less noisy bird, the ringnecks from India. And these birds come in various colors. But here we have about 7 colors. We have green, yellow, white, blue, gray, sky blue, olive green. Only the male would have this ring around the neck. Okay. Then we have the black-head kite from South America. And up here we have the green cheek. These are the most social bird in the house. From Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina. No noise at all. I guess you have seen these all over the island, the mountain dogs.
Yeah.
Originally from Africa, but basically they migrate all over the world.
Hey. How you doing? This is our St. Maarten Museum. It's also a family museum.
Yeah.
We have a lot of different stuff, different variety of plants on the island, and the way how people.
When she comes back, she'll be
Oh, look at the white.
Watch out where you're going, please.
You said don't
Now
track
that you're
nothing.
back in, now that you're in the car. Now that you're back in the car. You can't really get your feet up.
Bruh, yeah.
Oh wow, that's a nice beach.
Alright, algae, algae.
Nice setting.
Alright, Rocky.
Nitrogen.
So we're coming up to the horses right now. I want you to stay calm and collected. These things are wild beasts. You don't want to mess with them. Come on.
First, shut up. Right now, I needed to come back and honestly change my clothes because I was like wet from the water. And then I got home, went to the Airbnb, and like I'm breaking out on my chin, like right here on my chin, right here on the side of my face. Yeah. And yeah, I'm not happy. So I just need to just get my face together because I can't even take pictures of this. It's like atrocious. It's just bumpy. But I'm gonna do this little mask tonight. Oh my god, I can't even think, I'm so hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna do this mask tonight and try to get my face together for tomorrow because I cannot do this. But I took off my makeup. I washed my face with, I use the, what's it called? Youth for the People, or Youth for the People. I use that brand. And I really like it. And I also use, I forgot what the other one's called. I use one for a toner for the morning, I use a toner at night. But since it's getting towards the night, I use their kombucha exfoliating toner. So hopefully this kind of brings it down. And then I'm going to put on this exfoliant mask that you just put the mask on and you exfoliate at the end. But I'll show you, it's an enzyme mask. Yeah. But anyways, we're going to the restaurant somewhere nowhere, I can't remember. We're going there, and tomorrow should be interesting. I'm gonna try and get to Loterie Farm. I'm so dead right now. I actually have a headache and I'm tired, so please don't mind me. All the hype is gone for me, so anyways, but yeah, I'll see you guys at the restaurant. On our way right now to, it's called Loteri. Loteri Farm. Y'all see this tan? It's a tan. It's a tan. Yes. Anyways, so yeah, we're just gonna head up to Loteri Farm and get in the water. I hear they have monkeys, and I love going places that have animals. The Parrot Sanctuary was amazing, so I know this is gonna be cool. And if there's no monkeys, I'm gonna tell them to bring the monkeys out because I can go in here for the monkeys. But yeah, we're just gonna head up to this place, and when we get there, give you guys a nice little, tour of the place, okay? You go ahead. Sorry. So the cabanitas, which are for 2 people, are full. I would advise you to make a reservation. I didn't make a reservation, didn't think it'd be that busy, but it is Friday, so it makes sense. But the cabanas are for 10 people, and they're 190 in euros, and in US it's like 220. So I was like, no, I'm not paying 220 for something for 10 people when no. But the cabanitas are 75 in euros, so I think that's around like maybe 100 in American. So waiting for the bartender / server to come and ask for a drink, and yeah. we're not able to get into like the pool area because it was full and there was no room. So we're gonna come back tomorrow right before we leave and swim this way.
This one?
Yeah. And yes, and then so we're just gonna take a swim then, which sucks, but I mean it is rude ass cars. Go. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and come down tomorrow right before the what's I gonna say? Before our flight. And just, I mean, it's not salt water, so I'm just gonna rinse off and then put my clothes on for the flight. But yeah, we should be fine. We weren't able to go to Loterie Farm, but we're on our way there now. But we thought we'd stop at the West Indies Mall, so this should be interesting. I definitely have not been to a mall on an island, so let's go check it out. I mean, you guys saw the view. It's beautiful. So if you're here, though, you should definitely order some food. They have some nice samosas.
What's another one?
That's the food. The food.
I mean, what's in them?
The sandwiches and fries.
Oh, fries too.
Yeah. So these are the samosas, and it comes with like this mango sauce. It's bomb. So you guys should definitely get that, and the mahi mahi burger is bomb. So we're gonna get ready to head out soon to get to the airport, or to return the car and get to the airport. So I'll see y'all there.